Codugh is a microtransaction company. We focus on all things microtransaction, but at the moment our first product offering is an API marketplace, which essentially allows software developers to pay each other in microtransactions to use their code and their APIs. We've built it out quite a bit, and we have an analytics panel coming in soon with updates to that. We have more updates to the way the API panel would look and better UX updates. But moving forward, we're actually going to focus on different microtransactional based use cases to build out using the technology that we've already built to process payments and microtransactions in our system. The microtransaction token is essentially a way that non-BSV and non-crypto related users can still use the microtransactional power of the BSV network without having to buy BSV or interact with a cryptocurrency that they don't quite know or understand directly. The way it works is essentially they deposit fiat currency into the platform and we issue them microtransactional tokens valued at 1/100th of a cent, so very, very small valued tokens, and then they can then use these to transfer money to each other in our platform. And once they're done, they can withdraw whatever tokens they have left, like we said, 1/100th of a cent, and we'll give them that cash back into their bank accounts. Since the hackathon, we've just been trying to validate, trying to keep building and improving our idea, and constantly talking to users, making sure we're doing everything in the right direction. We've launched our product, which has been really cool. It's the final product, and we've gotten licenses with digital exchange and remittance service provider licenses in Australia to allow us to sort of legally do a lot of interesting things. We also work with KYC providers and KYT providers to make that happen. We do sort of KYC and KYT processes to make sure that everything happening in our platform is sound and there's no sort of money laundering or terrorism financing going on through our platform. We currently maintain all transactions of the token within our own platform to fend off the regulatory complications of people sending our tokens outside of the platform and doing all sorts of other things with them. It's been a really interesting, different challenge, but we love learning new things. We love dealing with stuff. Obviously, when it comes to dealing with legals, it gets a bit tiresome, but we work with lawyers as well to make sure that we're understanding everything correctly and making sure that we're handling all the processes. And it's been a challenge, certainly. It's been interesting. It's been arduous at times, but it's been good. And the worst thing is like thinking you understand something and then going on and building something that you then realize doesn't quite fit with a regulatory framework or something you've missed, because the law is extremely complicated, as we know. So make sure you consult lawyers, make sure you be careful, make sure you're thorough. I know it takes time and I know it's annoying, but it's got to be done and it's worth the struggle in the end.